Okay, so for this tutorial, you've got a pretty good grounding now. You can do lots of stuff. I'm going to show you how to insert files. So for this part of the assignment on your course, I want to see evidence that you've inserted some files onto your course. So as you can see here, we've got PowerPoint, we've got a Word file. So it's really easy how we add those files. We go into add an activity, and as we can see, there's lots of activities that we'll get to at some point during this tutorial for you to look at yourselves. But if we scroll all the way down, we can either share a file or entire folder with the students. I'll show you how to do the file first. So we scroll down and basically press add. So we can do the same for an URL, or we can add a separate page, which basically is just like another web page where we can fill it with content. We're going to add a file. So we name that, so say file 2. Okay, so we might want to create a folder to put it in, but we can either add a file there, or we can just drag it straight from, say, what one's from our folder. So I'm just going to drag it straight across from there and drop it on there, and as you can see, it's loading up. There we go, all loaded, and it's ready for me to, and if I click on it, I can change certain things. I can change the name if I want it slightly different name from what I originally saved it at, or someone else has saved it as. But I can press save and return, and I just need to put a description in there. So anywhere where you see it in red and a hash, I need to do what it says, or otherwise I won't save it. So I'm going to press save and return, and if I scroll down, now you can see, the file 2 is there. And you do exactly the same thing to share a folder. If there's one there, you just go to add a activity or resource, and then go into folder, or if we want to share a web page and so forth. Okay, so add a web page. Again, we need to add a title, a name to it. So BBC website, put a description to help the students understand why it's there, and then we're going to put the link in. So it's normally best to start off with http www.bbc.co.uk. But again, it's probably easier just to copy and paste straight from the address bar in your browser. And then we're going to choose this link. Maybe you could possibly. Okay, and then we're going to save and return. Okay, so we're not going to choose a link we've already used because we haven't used this one yet. And save and return. So now we scroll down. There we go. We've got a link to the BBC website. So as easy as that. So if you want to have that a go and show me that you can do that, and as ever, any problems, please let me know.